Let's walk through the autonomous taxation calculator. In Portugal, companies pay a separate tax on certain expenses, like company cars, at a fixed rate, even in a year with no profit. First, the acquisition cost of the company car. The cost decides the rate, so let's enter 40,000 euros. Next, the annual costs of that car, like depreciation, insurance, and fuel. We'll put in 6,000 euros. Then your entertainment expenses for the year. Let's add 2,000 euros. We'll leave undocumented expenses at 0, but note these are taxed heavily, at 50%. And finally, travel allowances not invoiced to clients. We'll enter 1,000 euros. Instantly, the calculator shows the autonomous taxation due for the year, here 1,750 euros. The breakdown below shows how much each expense contributes: the car, entertainment, undocumented expenses, and travel allowances, each with its own rate. And if your company has a tax loss, every rate rises by 10 percentage points. Try it yourself at Calculadora Capital.